Happy Vlogmas Day 2. I feel like poo. Not good. That's the hole on my roof. Well, one of the holes. I've got two more on the back. Hi, it's... what's the time? What's the time? Alexa, what's the time? She's not talking to me. Alexa, what's the time?
The time is 9:47 a.m.
Okay, it's 9:47 a.m. I'm dressed and I've taken my son and his girlfriend to college. But I still feel ill. Bleh. I wake up with a really bad headache and I feel sick and whatever. But I'm going to try and make myself feel better. I think it's because I've had this sinus infection and it's just bunged everything up, and then I feel sick. And I just feel really sick. I'm like, You really wanted to know that, didn't you? Anyway, I'm going to try and sort of get myself together, and this is going to be a really interesting day 2 Vlogmas, isn't it? You know what? I have the crappiest phone in the world. I just videoed me doing my face and talking about what I was doing, and the storage went all full, so I thought it had gone over to the photo storage thing, so I deleted it to make more room, and it hadn't. So I'm going to sulk now. I thought putting some makeup on might make me feel better, but I still feel a bit sick. I don't know what Cyril's doing. Just ignore the background. That's my sort of dread extensions in there. This Vlogmas is going to be so good. I thought I'd just do a today's outfit, seeing as I failed at my makeup thing. I've got this really nice jumper dress thing with slits up the side from ages ago, from Henny's H&M. I got grey, see, just do that, grey ribby leggings on from, they've got little buttons, they're from Toast, like a gazillion years ago. And I've got blowfish, Hamish felty boots on with glue on them where I dropped a tub of glue. And I don't know if you can see my earrings. I'm so good at this videoing malarkey. Good. Maybe I just should I can't flip over on my phone whilst it's videoing. I've got little Buddha earrings on. Can you see? Probably not. Anyway, yeah, that's my outfit. Cyril's doing his outfit of the day, aren't you, Cyril? What is your outfit of the day? It's just my usual fur coat, Mummy, he says. Okay. It's very nice though. It's gone a bit grey around the chops, hasn't it? But the rest of it's quite nice. It's very white and fluffy today. I'm not telling you off. He's going to do a video anymore. Cyril. Good boy. I got a lovely Galaxy advent calendar, but oops. I blame Cyril. Hello. Well, I think I actually did day 2 of Vlogmas. So I hope you're enjoying these little things. It's weird, I keep forgetting to video stuff that I do. I'm feeling better now though. I still feel a little bit queasy, but I think whatever it was has passed. It's probably from cold nose, sorry. It's freezing down here if I think, because the I showed you a picture of the hole in the roof. Because there's a hole in the roof, it's knocked the we've got a log burner, and it's knocked the, I don't know what to call it, the metal bit that goes where the flue goes up down. So there's a massive draft coming through. Until that's put back up, we've got like wind, the outside coming in, and I can't really stop it unless I put a big sheet over. That's an idea actually. And then I put a big sheet over the hole. I'll show you a picture of it tomorrow. I haven't cleared up all the bricks and that have fallen in either, so I'll show you that tomorrow. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow, and I'll see you live. If you're going to watch live at 7:30, I should be up, as long as I don't wake up feeling sick like I did this morning. Okay, bye.